Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you're tired of throwing away old batteries, I recommend these Duracell AA rechargeable batteries. Now these are so convenient to have in your house because if you ever run out of battery in your remote control, in your mouse, in your flashlight, you can simply just charge the same batteries you have. It takes about 20-30 minutes to charge them fully, and they last a long time. I mostly use it for my mouse, for my TV remote, and my flashlight. And I honestly cannot remember when was the last time I charged it, which speaks a lot about the duration of the battery. They last a long time, and the time that it takes to recharge the batteries is so fast that it really is a no-brainer. I think it's super convenient to have these batteries in your home. I really recommend them, and that is my point of view.